kasi ito. Tsaka magdi-December na, di ba, mga Burmans na. Ang dami ng paninda. Daming tao na naman sa Divisoria na mimili. Di ba masikip doon? Dami na naman paninda. Parang wala namang ulan dito. Feel ko kasi malawig sa labas. Oo, kaya nga nagkatingin kung ano meron dyan. Dami doon. Nakita ko sa ano. Meron kasi nag-vlog doon eh. Nakita ko sa FB. Sobrang dami na namang tao na mimili. You are a woman of unique beauty. Hoy. When we finally younger. Thank you, my friend. You're still there. Asian Coffee and Gambling. Thank you so much. You can connect with Kuya B Vlogs, my friend. Muhan Singh. Hello, my dear. Thank you. Hannah Montana. Oh, I know her. Not literally know her, but she's an artist, right? Actress, right? Are you a Filipino, my friend? Asian Coffee and Gambling or not? Animal control. You can control the animal. You can, antok ako, I'm sleepy ata yun. Of course, Tisha, grabe, my goodness, bakit? No, nothing. I thought you're not Filipino. Are you a Filipino? I'm going to put my pain. Play happy. Nabuhay naman eh siya, oy. Kaloka tong mug na to eh, sobrang laki. Oo po, honey, pure Filipino. Mm. Saan ka ngayon nakatira sa ibang bansa? Wow, I look like Chinese.